hanggang maaga pa lang, kung ramdam mo na ikaw yung pinapatamaan ko, hindi ka pa kumikita, ayusin mo na. Diba? Para pag kumikita ka na ng milyon, may mga property ka na, kasi ang ayoko mangyari, pag naabot mo itong level na to, yung iba ka na, yung tipong paglakad mo sa isang room, okay, don't get me wrong, kailangan yung posture nyo tumaas. Whenever you're in front of people, dapat, hindi ka mayabang, yung postura mo lang, di ba? Kaya dapat reachable ka pa rin. Alright? Okay lang ba sa inyo yun? And I'm excited to see people in Sunday, not only in the Philippines, but globally, succeeding yung millions of dollars sa pinag-uusapan, but still the same person. Okay ba yan? Alam nyo, yung nangyayari ngayong panahon na to, unusual to. Alam nyo kung bakit unusual? Hindi ko alam kung tayo lang, which I think tayo lang siguro. Pilipinas na pinag-uusapan na, tayo lang to. Tayo lang yung kumpanya na 16 years na, alright, 16 years na, pero papaakyat pa rin na hindi nagbabago. Hindi nagbabago. From day one, we have the same product, we have the same content. Hindi natin kailangan mag-gaba. I don't want to discuss it, baka may makadetain, baka mabot sa ibang ano. Pero tayo lang, for the past 16 years, going strong, at ang feeling mo, naniniwala naman akong naniniwala kayo ito, di ba ang feeling natin parang nagsisimula pa lang? And taon-taon, may ups and downs, don't get me wrong, lagi. Simula tayo Sunday, ganyan, babagsak ng konti, angat. Pero tuwing bumabagsak tayo, pag rebound, mataas talaga. So, pag tinitingnan mo yung chart natin, pag ganyan pa rin. And honestly, hindi na to tsamba eh. I think there's a divine intervention here. Kumbaga parang this is bound to happen. I think we are destined, sabi ko nga sa inyo, I think we are destined for greatness. Ang gusto ko lang sana, sabayan nyo na yun. Kasi walang kaduda-duda, Sante will grow globally. And I hope that if that happens, most of the people in this room, kasama namin. Alright? Yun lang isang iwan akong message sa inyo. Gusto ko na paghandaan nyo kasi the next 3 months will be big. Kikita kayo ng malaki. Pero sana in the process na kumita kayo ng malaki, maraming mabiyayaan. Alright? The next 3 months will be so critical and I'm excited because I know that you can help a lot of people. You can help a lot of people, not only with their products, but with your blessings. Alright, this coming Christmas. Not only with your relatives, even people that you don't know. One of our projects right now is, alam niyo naman, the Agutaya project, diba? We'll be going there na because we've committed, dinoble na natin, kumita yung amount eh. Kaya lang, alam mo naman ang Sante, madaling mapikon eh. Napikon kami ng isang araw, nagalit kami. Nagalit kami ng isang araw. Pumunta rito yung kausap namin, athlete natin yan, pastor, Agutaya, pumunta siya rito, napikon kami. Dinoble namin, doble budget. So, yeah. Parang Willie, bigyan ng jacket siya. I want to finish, I don't know kung ilang classroom ang tatayo natin sa budget na yun. That's just phase 1.